Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Understand Al-Quran the easy way, lesson number 16b, in which we will inshallah learn amr and nahi for some more verbs. We are learning grammar using TPI, total physical interaction. What is it? Hear it, see it, think it, say it, show it, love it, do it together. Let us revise what we have learned in previous lessons. And I am repeating this slide so many times. I am sure you must have memorized this. What are the types of words in Arabic? Ism, fi'l, harf. And what are the signs of ism? Starts with al, for example, al-kitabu, or ends with un and in, like muslimun, musliman, muslimin, or ends with un, in, at, like muslimun, muslimin, muslimat. That should be strongly printed in your mind, inshallah. So ism, fi'l, and harf. Harf, anything which is not ism or fi'l is harf, like bi, li, min, wa, inna, and so on. As far as verb is concerned, we know that most of the verbs are made up of 3 letters. They are called root letters, like fa'ala, fataha, nasara, daraba. In Arabic, fi'l is of 3 types. What are they? Madi, mudari, and amr. Can you do it with actions? Madi means that which is done. Mudari, which is not done yet, is being done or will be done. And amr is to order something or request something or to stop someone from something. So can you do it with 3 actions like this? Madi, mudari, amr. Madi, mudari, amr. Madi, mudari, amr. MashaAllah. Now we are learning amr and nahi, and we did that in the last lesson, and there are hundreds of verbs in the Quran on these patterns. So let us repeat what we have learned in the past lesson. Repeat after me, please, with actions. If'al, if'alu. If'al, if'alu. La taf'al, la taf'alu. La taf'al, la taf'alu. Again. If'al, if'alu. If'al, if'alu. La taf'al, la taf'alu. La taf'al, la taf'alu. Very simple. Similarly, we did for fataha, yaftahu, iftah. And the 4 forms are, repeat after me, iftah, iftahu. Iftah, iftahu. La taftah, la taftahu. La taftah, la taftahu. And the third one we did was ja'ala, he made. Ja'ala, yaj'alu, he makes. Ij'al, make. So repeat after me. Ij'al, ij'alu. Ij'al, ij'alu. La taj'al, la taj'alu. La taj'al, la taj'alu. Very simple, mashallah. So we'll continue in today's lesson. We'll take some more verbs. So this is the first unit, alhamdulillah, in which we will start with nasara. The forms for nasara. Nasara means he helped. Yansuru, he helps. Look at that. Yansuru, yansuru, su. So this u will make it u starting, unsur. It will not be like fataha, yaftahu, iftah. Ja'ala, yaj'alu, ij'al. And fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al. But this is nasara, yansuru, u. So this will start with u. Yansuru, unsur. Unsur, help. Alright. So can you repeat after me? Unsur, help, or why don't you translate? MashaAllah, now you're experts. So translate. Unsur, help. Unsuru, help. La tansur, don't help. La tansuru, don't help. Again. Unsur, help. Unsuru, help. La tansur, don't help. La tansuru, don't help. Now can you repeat after me in Arabic? Unsur, unsuru. Unsur, unsuru. La tansur, la tansuru. La tansur, la tansuru. Again. Unsur, unsuru. Unsur, unsuru. La tansur, la tansuru. La tansur, la tansuru. MashaAllah. Can you do it with me now, slowly? Unsur. Unsuru. La tansur. La tansuru. Again. Unsur. Unsuru. La tansur. La tansuru. MashaAllah. Allim. MashaAllah, now you see the table of Nasara. Can you do it with me, starting with Madi, slowly? Nasara, Nasaru, Nasarta, Nasartu, Nasartum, Nasarna. And Mudare, with me? Yansuru, Yansuruna, Tansuru, Ansuru, Tansuruna, Nansuru. And Amr, and Nahi. Unsur, Unsuru, La Tansur, La Tansuru. Please keep practicing and do these forms for the whole table. I mean, repeat all the forms of the table. So, Alhamdulillah, let's take the second part, which is dialogues. I would say, unsur, help. Help someone. So, what will you say? Sawfa, soon, ansuru, I will help. And say, unsuru, all of you, help someone. So, what will you say? Sawfa, nansuru, soon we will help. So answer me in Arabic. Unsur. Ansuru. With actions like this. Unsuru. Sawfa nansuru. MashaAllah. Once again. Unsur. Sawfa ansur. Unsuru. Sawfa nansuru. Alim. Okay, let's add an object there. Who? Unsur. Help who? Zaid. Because it is an object, so unsur Zaidan. So I'm telling you, help Zaid. So what will you say? Sawfa ansuru Zaidan. Soon I will help Zaid. Unsuru Zaidan. All of you, help Zaid. So what will you say? Sawfa nansuru Zaidan. Who will help Zaid? Just add Zaid, 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 Zaid. Okay. So can you answer me? Unsur Zaidan. Zaidan. Unsuru Zaidan. Zaidan. MashaAllah. Alim. Alhamdulillah. Let's take next verb, which is udhkur. Udhkur means remember. Right? Can you translate with actions, please? Udhkur. Remember. Udhkuru. Remember. All of you. La tadhkur. Don't remember. La tadhkuru. Don't remember. Again, udhkur. Remember. Udhkuru. Remember. La tadhkur. Don't remember. La tadhkuru. Don't remember. Now repeat after me in Arabic. Udhkur. Udhkuru. Udhkur. Udhkuru. La tadhkur. La tadhkuru. La tadhkur. La tadhkuru. Again. اذكر اذكروا اذكروا لا تذكر لا تذكروا لا تذكر لا تذكروا علم. Now we have ذكر table also, almost complete. So can we do it starting from فعل ماضي with me slowly? ذكر ذكروا ذكرت ذكرت ذكرتم ذكرنا. And Mudare, Yadhkuru, he remembers. Start. Yadhkuru, Yadhkuruna, Tadhkuru, Adhkuru, Tadhkuruna, Nadhkuru. And the Amr and Nahi. Udhkur, Udhkuru, La Tadhkur, La Tadhkuru. MashaAllah. Master the table. Okay, repeat it as much as you can. Alhamdulillah. Now, dialogues. I'm saying udhkur, remember. What will you say? Sawfa adhkuru, soon I will remember. Udhkuru, sawfa nadhkuru, soon we will remember. Can you answer? Udhkur, sawfa adhkuru. Udhkuru, sawfa nadhkuru. Once again, udhkur, sawfa adhkuru. Udhkuru, sawfa nadhkuru. Alim. Okay, let's add an object here, Allah. So it will be object, subject is Allahu, object will be Allah. So I say Udhkur Allah. Okay, remember Allah. So what will you say? Sawfa adhkuru Allah. Soon I will remember Allah. So you will have to add Allah, 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 Allah in all these sentences because it is an object in these sentences. Now I will say udhkuru Allah. What will you say? Sawfa nadhkuru Allah. By the way, we are keeping them separate. You can say udhkurillaha for singular and udhkurullaha, but we are learning, so keep them separate. Okay. So can you answer me? Udhkur Allah. Sawfa adhkuru Allah. Udhkuru Allah. Sawfa nadhkuru Allah. Alim. Alhamdulillah. Now let us remember those 4 styles of verbs. Okay. Fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a. I hope you remember that. What was that? If you open the Quran, Fataha, Allah will help you. Nasara, otherwise you will be hit. Daraba, therefore listen. Sami'a. Okay, so now you have learned Fataha, the first style. Fataha, yaftahu, iftah. And on the same patterns, same style we have done Fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al. Ja'ala, yaj'alu, ij'al. And the second style was Nasara, yansuru, unsur. That's what we did in this lesson. Unsur. Similarly, udhkur, ukhluq, u'bud. And on these patterns we did these verbs which are like khalaqa, yakhluqu, ukhluq, or dhakara, yadhkuru, udhkur, abada, ya'budu, u'bud. So I want you to teach your friend Fataha, yaftahu, iftah, nasara, yansuru, unsur. Ali. Alhamdulillah, that's it for today, but we will also help you do homework, which is from abada. Abada, he worshipped. Ya'budu, he worships. U'bud, ya'budu, u'bud. Yansuru, unsur. So it will be u'bud, worship. So can you translate? U'bud, worship. U'budu, worship. La ta'bud, don't worship. La ta'budu, don't worship. Can you repeat after me? U'bud, u'budu. La ta'bud, la ta'budu. La ta'bud. Again, u'bud, u'budu. La ta'bud, la ta'budu. La ta'budu. MashaAllah. And the second one that you will have to do in homework is ukhluq. By the way, abada table is complete here, which is from fi'l madi, mudare, and amr, and nahy. Right? Can you do it with me? Abada, abadu, abatta, abattu, abattum, abadna. Ya'budu, ya'buduna, ta'budu, a'budu, ta'buduna, na'budu, u'bud, u'budu, la ta'bud, la ta'budu. You should do it in one breath, even more, 2 times in one breath, like this. Abada, abadu, abatta, abattu, abattum, abadna. Ya'budu, ya'budun, ta'budu, a'budu, ta'buduna, na'budu, u'bud, u'budu, la ta'bud, la ta'budu. And you can do it once more in one breath. Just be an expert. And the second word in homework, these are all homework, we are just helping you, is khalaqa, yakhluqu, ukhluq. Yakhluqu, ukhluq. Create. Ukhluqu, create. La takhluq, don't create. La takhluqu, don't create. Can you repeat after me? Ukhluq, ukhluqu, ukhluq. La takhluq, la takhluqu. La takhluq. All right. Now we have the khalaqa table, which is complete here. You got to practice. Can you do it with me slowly? That's the last thing that we have in this lesson before learning tip. So, khalaqa, khalaqu, khalaqta, khalaqtu, khalaqtum, khalaqna. Yakhluqu, yakhluquna, takhluqu, akhluqu, takhluquna, nakhluq. أخلق أخلق لا تخلق. لا تخلق. Since khalaqa, created, it's only Allah, Allah's work, so we'll not practice amr and nahi for this verb, not in homework, not in classwork. Of course, this is homework, it will not be there. Let's take learning tip now, that is learn with examples, and we have covered this during the course also, but just to emphasize the point here, I'm repeating it. For example, in big classes, I asked people, what is the meaning of in? Very few people say if, but when I ask them what is the meaning of inshallah, many people say, oh, if Allah wills. So they know the meaning of the word in, but in this example, inshallah, if Allah wills. So the best way to memorize the meanings of words are to memorize them in examples. Take the whole piece and memorize it. So instead of memorizing in, if, memorize the meaning of inshallah, if Allah wills, inshallah, if Allah wills, and so on. And if you forget the example, then there are chances that you may forget the meaning or get confused with them. So like in, inna, an, anna, but example will help you remember the meanings properly, proper meanings of the word. And there is no need to remember the example once you memorize the meanings of the word. If you remember the words and their meanings with examples, then you can memorize them fast, you can retain them longer, and you can recall them easier, and you will not mix up in words and meanings. So if it is in, it will always be if, because in means inshallah. Example of in is inshallah, if Allah wills. So you will not say in means that, because an is that, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, and so on. Alhamdulillah, by the end of this lesson, which is the 16th lesson, we have learned 194 words which occur in the Quran almost 38,531 times. Don't forget the 7 types of homework: 2 on tilawah, 5 minutes from the Mus'haf, 5 minutes while walking, and 2 on study, 10 minutes from the book, textbook, workbook of this course, and keep the vocabulary sheet in your pocket and refer to it again and again at different times of the day, and listening to the concise recording, talking about the course with family and friends, and recite different surahs in salah. And 2 du'as, Rabbi zidni ilma, and pray for the classmates. Start the class and pray for them. Oh Allah, help us learn the Quran in a Quran class, and especially don't forget to carry the vocabulary sheet in your pocket. And the best way to learn is to be a teacher. Download the PPTs and start teaching, or just play the video and pause it every 5 minutes and continue. Practice whatever has been taught and continue. You can get the training at understandquran.com to become a very good teacher, inshallah. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Jazakumullah khair. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.